Every choice I made led me here, to this sacred stillness, to this ocean that didn't just reflect the sky but mirrored my soul. This was more than a trip, it was a soul calling. And in Bali, I answered. The fresh air carried a peace that felt ancient. I found joy in the little rituals of opening the sliding doors, of feeding the koi fish in the koi pond, with coffee in one hand and presence in the other. Even the koi taught me that what you nurture comes back to you. I wrote not to figure it out, but to release. To let what needed to rise, rise. My mornings were a ceremony. A blend of prayer, vibration, and devotion to the Creator. I didn't just reconnect with myself, but I reconnected with joy in simplicity, with what matters. Seeing the black volcanic beach made me realize the abundance of the Creator. In witnessing the Creator's abundance, I witnessed myself. Our villa stood like a sanctuary, guarding our peace and holding space for our becoming. This place became more than a stay. It became a memory, a message, a moment to always return to. I danced, not to be seen, but to feel free. I allowed myself to enjoy the small movements that comes along with dancing. In the small movements, I found myself present and grounded in my body. I allowed myself to receive peace from the elements. I nourished my temple with massages and with sounds of nature. I played with my inner child, and I played with my son. And here I remembered, I am not lost. I am not late. I am light returning to myself.